Okay, Miles, ready? What does the elephant say? Okay, good job. Block? You're right. Okay, what does the donkey say? Okay. So where are the firemen? Right there? Good job. Where's the train? Yellow? What color is that? Red. You're right. Okay. Where's the bear? Bear. Good job. Yay, give me a high five. Good job. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you do donkey again?
Oh.
Can you do the elephant again?